This is a Suspense production.
She's so exclusive, she touched my dick, but it was inconclusive. You can blame your man, cause he introduced, she said she liked my shit, but she was in the boost. You know, I don't fuck with them cigarettes, so I dropped the bitch, she was in the loose. But as soon as I was done with that first scene, I cut like we was in the movie, she was pissed. But the truth, if I was her, I would be too. Had a gas stuff like what we do. I probably wouldn't laugh, this could be you. Maybe not one, this could be two. One got bank, one got racks, one got real on track. She rubbed my back, this should be due. Pull my dick out, she fuck it up like a teeth spit, she suck it up. I can swear by the way this bitch shake like a mistake. I fucked it up. She say she love my mixtape. She skipped the 8 and she cut it up. Twisted off that alcohol, pour another cup. I'm cutting up. She pulled my hand to the door. Them clothes just dropped to the floor. She say she ain't no pro, just take it slow. I go with the flow. My man ain't gotta know. You like Leroy with the glow. Plus twos in the walk in the low. Crank the car, crank the window low. Yo, yo, yo. Yeah. I can't sing, so I can't even sing that hook with y'all. We won't go to the next joint. Hey, before you do though, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate everybody coming out and supporting the cause. I ain't gonna tell y'all who I voted for, you know what I'm saying? I think that's tacky, but we're just gonna let the song go, and you know what I'm saying? Get it like that. If they come want something from me, switch it what I wrote and give you niggas out. Yeah. Switch it what I wrote, give you niggas out. I got two more joints, but this next one right here, this one right here is all my man Lotta Tate. That Final Fantasy, I got a lot of feedback coming right up. But it's on Lotta Tate, Final Fantasy. And when I heard the song, I loved it. I said, bro, you gotta put me on. So, Ingenious, can I get that?
Hospital.